Welcome back. Let's start with small finance banks. Small finance banks are preparing to launch their initial public offerings. The small finance banks are hoping to get an extension in their listing deadlines. RBI guidelines require small finance bank to list within 3 years of their net worth reaching 500 crores. These are private financial institutions for objective of financial inclusion without any restriction in area of operation. Unlike regional bank or local area bank, they can provide basic banking services like accepting deposits and lending to unbanked sections such as small farmers, micro business enterprise, micro and small industries, unorganized sector entities. कुछ ऑपरेशनल स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक की बात करें तो जीवन स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक, जनलक्ष्मी स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक ये प्रपोज किए जाते हैं बाय नचिकेत मोर कमिटी ऑफ RBI as one of the differentiated banking system credit outreach के लिए and announced an annual budget of 2014. Alright, so what is the difference between payment bank and small finance bank? Payment bank, who can promote? Prepaid card issuers, telecom companies, NBFCs, business correspondents, supermarket chains, corporates, reality sector cooperatives, and PSUs. Now, small finance bank, individuals, professional with 10-year experience in finance, NBFC, microfinance companies, local area banks. What payment banks must do? They have a minimum capital of rupees 100 crores. They maintain 75% of deposits in government bonds. They maintain 25% of deposits in other banks. They have at least 26% investment by Indians. They get listed if net worth crosses rupees 500 crores. They have 25% of branches in unbanked areas. They are to be fully networked and technology driven. They have rupees 1 lakh cap for deposits in one account. Small finance banks. They have a minimum capital of rupees 100 crores, extend 75% of loan to private sector. They have 25% branches in unbanked areas. Maintain reserve requirement. They cap loan to individuals and groups at 10% and 15% of net worth. They have a business correspondent network. What payments bank can do? They offer internet banking. They sell mutual funds, insurance, pension. They offer bill payment service for customers. They have ATMs and business correspondents. They can function as banking correspondent of another bank. Small finance banks sell forex to customers. They sell mutual funds, insurance, pension. They can convert into a full-fledged bank. They expand across the country. They transform into a full-fledged bank, but only after RBI approval. What payment banks can't do? They can't offer credit cards. They can't extend loans. They can't handle cross-border remittances. They can't accept NRI deposits. Small finance bank extend large loans. They float subsidiaries. They cannot deal in sophisticated financial products.